Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we've got something truly exciting for all you car enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the Nanobond Ceramic Coating 9H Pro, a game-changer in car care and protection. So, why is this product the best ceramic coating available? Let's dive right into it. First and foremost, the Nanobond Ceramic Coating 9H Pro is a complete car care kit that gives your vehicle a stunning, glass-like finish. This kit includes everything you need to achieve that professional-level shine. Inside the box, you'll find a liquid ceramic coat bottle, a high-quality sponge, a microfiber towel, an upgraded microsuede applicator, and gloves. It's like having a car maintenance specialist right at your fingertips. Applying the Nanobond ceramic coating is a breeze. Here's how you do it. First, make sure the car's surface is clean, dry, and scratch-free. This is crucial to get the best results. Next, wrap the cloth over the coating sponge, put a few drops of the coat liquid on the cloth, and spread it evenly on your car's surface. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes for the liquid to dry, and then use the microfiber towel to wipe and polish the sponge over the coated area. And voila! You'll be left with a car that not only shines like never before but is also incredibly well protected. One of the standout features of this product is its hydrophobic properties. It creates a durable barrier that repels dirt and bonded contaminants. Plus, the water-beading effect is truly outstanding, making water practically jump off the surface. Most ceramic coatings on the market contain around 30% CO2. But here's where Nanobond stands out. It boasts an impressive 80% pure SiO2 content, ensuring maximum protection and shine. The Nanobond ceramic coating kit is perfect for anyone who wants their car to look its absolute best. It works wonders on your car's paint, glass, and wheels, providing a super glossy shine that can last for almost 3 years. But the best part? It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. With this kit, you can achieve professional-level results right in your garage. Before we wrap up, here's something to consider. There are other products out there, but none quite match the quality, protection, and shine you get from Nanobond. So, whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone who wants their vehicle to look its best, Nanobond Ceramic Coating 9H Pro is the product for you. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't miss out on this incredible product. Click the link in the description below to get your Nanobond Ceramic Coating 9H Pro and give your car the shine and protection it deserves. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time with more exciting product reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy driving!